Howl-O-Scream this year. Slut.
Too much water.
How do you like the Howl-O-Scream, Gina?
It's nice.
Don't even care.
I like it.
Michelle, how do you like Howl-O-Scream?
It's pretty great because it screams a lot. And it's great.
How do you like Howl-O-Scream?
Just bad growl.
You had fun with the werewolves, right?
I met my family. I high-fived one of them. It was BA. I'm still talking to you, bitch. Look at me. Look at me.
Ew. Michelle, what'd you say to one of the werewolves? You said something. We're not in the toy factory yet.
I know. I think that Cat and Keegan went a lot ahead, and I do believe that Pig was stuck behind, squeezing the shit out of my arm.
So? My arms are fine.
If we die, let it be known this is our last record. Cat, you look like shit tonight. Just saying.
You look fat tonight.
You look like a whore.
You're the walking whores.
Yeah. I know, I'm getting paid for it.